Hey guys, and I'm really glad to see you on this channel again. So recently I have recorded many videos where I covered Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, stock market, and that's all. And I've just recalled that I haven't made any overviews of NFTs market. So let's do that in this video. Let's get started. But before we move on to NFTs, let me just remind you guys that in the latest video that I've posted, I promised you to show you this CME gap on Bitcoin. So at first, let me show you these zones where the price of Bitcoin might go. So the first zone, the most likely zone for us to go is around 38,000 up to $44,000. So there is a great consolidation here, so I suppose it might stop the price from skyrocketing too high, and I think that it will be enough to stop the price from going to the new all-time high during the bearish market. So, and of course, in the case of negative scenario, we have a strong level of support around $20,000. I remember that in the very first videos that I've posted on this YouTube channel, I told you guys that we might plummet up to $15,000 or even $10,000. So, for now, I suppose that for altcoins, this negative scenario might be still relevant, but not for Bitcoin, as its liquidity is too high. To be honest, I didn't expect it to be so strong, and I thought that the price of Bitcoin would actually plummet. But looking at this structure, for now I do not believe in this scenario, and I suppose that for now we're most likely to go upper. So here's this CME chart of Bitcoin futures that I promised to show you in the previous video but didn't do. So guys, I really apologize for it. Now you can see this gap. Yeah, that might seem a tiny gap, but guys, you know the tendency of any market. If there is a gap in price, then we just must cover it. That's must have. Of course, it doesn't happen 100% in 100% of the cases, but we're most likely to reach this level in this local bull run. By the way, there is not a huge increase needed, just 13%. Guys, 13%! What is this for Bitcoin? Just 13%. That's a really tiny, insignificant rise that Bitcoin price should make in the future. I suppose that is the most likely scenario that we might see. By the way guys, write in the comments below if you agree with me or disagree, maybe you have a completely opposite opinion. Please don't hesitate to share it in the comments below. So, I don't know why do I have this chart open, but I think we don't need it anymore. We've just discussed everything about Bitcoin. Then, AVAX. Guys, I suppose that most of you remember the video where I made a confession how I screwed up the opportunity to leverage my money because I got too greedy. Unfortunately for me, the price of AVAX went to the level where I made a self-liquidation, which means that for now I'm pondering the opportunity to buy back everything that I've sold in order to save my ass from being beaten. Okay, I'm just very sorry for this expression, but you understand me and all my emotions. Let's move on to NFTs. Yes. Now, the first NFT collection that I would like to open this video with is the most beloved one, ABC collection. So guys, I've recorded many overviews of this collection and I'm really sorry for using guys. Anyway, I just should work on my vocabulary a little bit more to expand it. At least a tiny bit. Never mind. So, there is a consolidation finally, which I didn't expect to form here, to be honest. But I'm really glad to see it. If you ask me why, because my entry price was around 20 Solanas. So seeing the current market price above that level is really great, to be honest. Never mind. So anyway, if you ask me to be serious, if we will be serious a little bit, there was a steep decline, I would say plummeting of the price of on this collection, and now we can see that there is a consolidation. A tiny for now, but time will show. At least there is not a steep decline like this one. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if I can draw here. I just need to figure that out for future videos. But for now, guys, you just understand that fortunately we do not see any steep declines anymore, and the price is fluctuating about the same level, around maybe 25 Solanas, between 20 up to almost 50, okay, to be more precise, 45 Solanas, which is great. So let's just wait and see what happens with the price on this collection when it finally reaches the level of 20 Solanas. Write in the comments below if you entered that collection with me, guys, or just waiting and looking at me with a curious look and asking me what the hell are you talking about, what ABC collection. Actually, guys, if you're one of these people who haven't seen that video, you can find that on this channel. Go and watch it straight away, because I don't wanna spend our time explaining it for the 100th time what this collection is about. So let's move on. The next collection that I've entered is Invisible Friends. My entry price was 1 Ethereum, exactly 1 Ethereum. I thought that a huge plummeting, like from 7 Ethereum up to 1 Ethereum, was a decent one, but the price didn't agree with me, and it decided to go lower. If we look at the activity, where is the chart? It looks really pity. But I just wanna wait and see what this collection turned into during the bullish market. Let's move on. This really mysterious Pepsi microphone drop collection. I've bought some of these microphones because just out of curiosity, guys. I do not know what plans Pepsi has for this collection and whether or not they are gonna promote it during the next bull market. I've just entered it, and for now I'm just sitting looking at the price falling down. My entry price was 0.25 Ethereum, which is really high price in comparison to the current prices. But that's a financial market, one of them. I have to accept all the consequences that I might encounter while investing in all this stuff. Then guys, CryptoPunks. Do you remember that video where I told that there are no sales of CryptoPunks on OpenSea anymore? Yeah guys, I didn't make a proper research, and for now, when I encounter that collection one more time, I decided to make research. Why there are no CryptoPunks listed here? And I found the answer, and the answer is that every CryptoPunk got delisted by OpenSea because of legal issues. That was really interesting to me. By the way, guys, if you know where you can buy CryptoCon, I'm very sorry I didn't say that, and you didn't hear it as well. If you know where to buy CryptoPunks in the current conditions, please specify in the comments below. I'll be really glad to see and check where you can buy them now. And can you buy them? Can you at least buy them? At least somewhere. Or maybe not. Then, the last collection to overview today is Bored Ape Yacht Club. One of the flagship collections of Yuga Labs. And the price of these cute apes plummets and plummets. Do you remember when their price was around... I can remember that I found that collection when its price was around 70 Ethereum, and for now it's just 30 Ethereum. I remember the time when the second flagship collection of Yuga Labs, which is Mutant, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, the price of which was 30 Ethereum during the bull run. I can even show it to you. Now costs only 5 Ethereum, which is horrible for the holders of these NFTs. I can only sympathize them, and you can see that the price doesn't look good enough. But anyway, guys, remember the main rule in order to stay confident on during any market conditions. When the price plummets, it's the same as the sales in the supermarket. If you see that you can buy 1 kilo of apples not for $1 or for 50 cents, what would you do? Would you buy them or not? I suppose that you would buy them. Why? Because you have a discount. The same way you could treat the financial markets as well. Of course, that's not a legal advice, not a financial advice. You should do what you want to do and what you suppose is the most suitable strategy for you. But for now, guys, that's all for today. Hope that you managed to get some useful information from this video, and I'll be really glad to see you in the next videos. And you can give this video a like if you really liked it, subscribe to this channel in order to support it, by the way. Give a dislike to this video if you didn't like the content at all, or maybe you just hate my face. I don't know, maybe, everything is maybe. And get out of here.